In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoint presentation with Canva. Start on the Canva homepage. In the search bar, type presentation or click the presentation icon. This opens a fresh 16:9 canvas, which is the standard widescreen size for most projectors and displays, so you're starting with the right dimensions from the get-go. Next, choose a template. Open the Design tab on the left to browse professionally designed options. If you want a cohesive look from the first slide to the last, use Apply All Pages. This instantly sets a consistent theme, including fonts, colors, and layout styles. If you prefer more variety, pick specific layouts for different slides instead. Mixing layouts can work well as long as you keep headings, colors, and spacing consistent so everything feels like it belongs in the same deck. Think about your audience and purpose here: clean and minimal for reports, bold and visual for pitches, or playful for classroom content. Now it's time to add your content. Head to the Elements tab to drag and drop charts, photos, and icons. You can search within Elements to quickly find exactly what you need. When you place items on the canvas, use the Smart Guides to align everything neatly and resize with the corner handles to keep proportions intact. Double-click any text box to edit the placeholder text. Short, scannable lines with clear headings work best on slides. To keep your branding on point, use the brand kit to apply your specific colors and fonts in one go. If you don't have a brand kit set up, choose from the document colors and keep your palette tight. 2 to 3 colors usually looks polished. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability, and leave some breathing room around elements. If you want a similar slide with small tweaks, duplicate the slide to maintain alignment and spacing. When your presentation is ready to move into Microsoft PowerPoint, export it as a .pptx file. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the editor. Scroll down and click More, then search for or select Microsoft PowerPoint. Choose the slides you want to include. This is helpful if you've created extra options or backup slides, and click Download. Canva will prepare your PPTX file, which you can open in PowerPoint. Keep in mind that if you use specialty fonts, PowerPoint may substitute them unless those fonts are installed on your computer, so double-check text flow after exporting. That's it. You've designed a professional presentation in Canva and exported it to PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.